Yan, no? After a few days, or from April 16 to April 23, ito na yung earnings ko. So, 645 na, or 11.4 USDT. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, back to kitaan videos muna tayo. And for today's video, mag-share ako ng tutorials about this new exchange platform which is called Explore Exchange. Pakihit na yung like button, subscribe, at atin ang simulan. So by the way, this is not a sponsored video. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko to ginawa. No? So syempre, para masimulan mo to, you have to click the link down in the description. So once na-click mo na yan, dadalhin ka niyan dito. So enter mo lang yung phone number, passwords, at yung verification code. So yan, pag okay ka na, ito ang lalabas sa screen. Yung pinaka-recent promotion ng platform para sa new users. Aww. So laging may promotion sa platform na to, no? So di na yan bagong bagay. So next, ito na yung home screen mo. So napakasimple, di yan gaano kakomplikado tulad ng ibang exchange. So pag scroll down mo, makikita mo yung exchange rates ng cryptocurrencies na available sa platform na to. So you see, meron sila ditong token, DFT. So yun yung symbol D, actually di yan listed sa CoinGecko or Binance or OKX or any other crypto exchange na alam ko. So, pero yung mga members, kung meron kayong alam, paki-comment na lang sa baba na. So, balik tayo. Dito, click withdraw button. So, ito yung lalabas. GCash, Maya. So, basic na yan. Merong isa dito which is USDT TRC20. So, meaning Tron Network ang ginagamit. So, if ever gusto nyong i-withdraw yung earnings nyo as USDT, use Tron Network. This version of USDT is known for fast transactions and low fees compared to ERC20 or Ethereum network. So you can use OKX, Binance, and Bybit for that. Mag-register ka using my links sa descriptions. No? Kung gusto mong mag-withdraw using USDT, libre lang naman yan. So next button, Welfare Center. So dito papasok yung earnings nyo from your referrals. So kung gusto nyo madagdagan yung earnings nyo, then invite new users. No? So pero wag kayong mamilit, no? Disclaimer lang. And always let them know to invest what they can afford to lose. Nothing is permanent, ika nga. So in case this platform shuts down because of unforeseen circumstances, then di masyado masakit, diba? So tuloy tayo. Click this for customer service. Basic na yan. Next, contract orders. So, dyan lalabas yung info kapag may trades kayo. So, click ETF. Dito manggagaling yung passive income. So, sabi ng iba, passive income. So, may investment dito which is $10 minimum. So, nakalagay naman dyan yung cycle ng investment. For $10, it will run for 360 days. So, meron daw 12% income. So, may total revenue daw na 432 USDT at daily income na 1.2 USDT. So, kung nalilito kayo kung nalilito ka pa kung ano ang USDT, so USDT is a type of stable coin, which means its value is pegged to a stable asset. So, in this case, the US dollar. So, kung ano ang value ng US dollars, then pareho lang sila ng value ng USDT. Ano naman ang ETF? So, ETF is a type of investment fund that is traded on stock exchanges. So, similar to individual stocks. So, key features. Diversification. So, an ETF typically holds a collection of assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, giving exposure to multiple assets with a single purchase. Traded like a stock. You can buy and sell ETFs throughout the trading day at market prices, lower cost. ETFs often have lower fees than mutual funds. So, transparency, most ETFs publish their holdings daily. So, itong transparency na to, di ko pa nakita to be honest. Siguro next video na lang pag na-confirm ko na or we have more information tungkol doon. So, tuloy tayo. Pag nag-scroll down ka dyan, may iba-ibang price dyan ng ETFs. So, with a different amount of earnings, no? Tapos, sa platform na to, only HTF is available. So, no Nasdaq, no gold, and etc. So, next button, or next tab, contract. Di ko pa tayo na-try. So, parang future tradings to. So, kung wala kang alam dito, skip mo na tong tab na to. Same sa copy. This button is unclickable. So, not sure kung i-develop pa nila yan. So, next tab, assets. So, dito mo makikita yung total assets at earnings mo na available to withdraw. Sa platform na to, you earn from ETFs. Pero before you earn, you invest. So again, don't invest money na kailangan mo, no? Kung gusto mo mag-all-in at sobrang greedy mo, buhay mo yan. Balik tayo. You can select ilang shares ang gusto mo or offered mo. 1, 2, or 3. Then click confirm. So since wala ka pang pinasok or kinash in, lalabas ang deposit button dyan. So may deposit options dyan, GCash, Maya, or USDT. So click GCash kung yan ang preferred mo. So may direct connection or mobile payment. Click confirm if mobile payment ang gagamitin mo. Click 1N. Click amount. Then next step. Then madadirect kayo sa page na to. You can just screenshot yung QR code for GCash payment. So I recommend to use this option na para mas safe tayo. Pero papakita ko pa rin yung scenario ng direct connect or direct connection. So again, click confirm, deposit GCash, direct connection. Next step, lalabas, yan ang lalabas. So you need to log in with your GCash account. Pag nag-login ka na, ito na siya. So dapat may balance na yung GCash account mo, no? So yan, something went wrong. Kasi di ko in-enter yung authentication code kasi hesitant ako. So I prefer yung mobile payment. Use QR code payment. Upload QR. Then yung in-screenshot natin kanina, confirm then send. Then ayan na siya, pumasok na sa account ko. Then, di yan automatic na bibili ng ETF, no? So, nandyan pa lang siya sa available USDT mo. So, go back to ETF tab. Buy shares. I choose one. Then, confirm. Then, purchase successful. So, click my ETF orders at nandyan na yung details ng investment mo. So, click this icon for some important information. So, click this button para sa account information mo. Nandyan yung ID number mo na kailangan nila sa Telegram channel for ng foundation nila for community events and etc. So, nandyan yung bill, KYC, security center, deposit order, withdrawal order, language, and help. So, ito yung Telegram channel na sinasabi ko, no? Yan. So, nagpo-post sila dyan ng mga earnings and rewards sa mga community events nila.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun.
Ito yung matagal ko nang pinakahintay.
Yan, no? After a few days, or from April 16 to April 23, ito na yung earnings ko. So, 645 na, or 11.4 USDT. So, in short, ROI na ako, or bawi na. Return of investment na. So, that's 7 days. So, dahil medyo greedy tayo, I choose to reinvest this earnings. So, pwede yun. Kahit di ka na mag-cash in, yung earnings mo, pwede mo na ulit i-reinvest para kumita ka pa ng mas madami. Or para mapalaki mo pa yung kita mo. So, pero kung gusto mo nang mabawi yung pera mo, then i-withdraw mo na. Mag-earn pa rin naman yung pinasok mong pera dyan kasi 360 days contract yan. So, yan kasi may promotion niya na buy one, take one shares. Kaya, matetempt ka talaga. So, tulad ng sabi ko, yung promotion, yung iba kasing platform after ng promotion, nawawala na yung website. Pero dito, di na raw bagong bagay yung mga promotion na yan. So, pero kasi, more than 1 year na sila ngayon. Pero, ayun, vigilant pa rin. So, after a few days, April 23, nung nag-reinvest tayo, April 29, eto na, may 588 pesos na ulit na available to withdraw. So, wala pang kasamang referral reward yan, no? Ano pa kung meron. So, para ready na tayo for withdrawal, mag-KYC na tayo. So, go to user, click real name authentication. Enter your name, valid ID number in your driver's license or UMID ID, etc. So, take a photo of your ID and a selfie. So, then, okay na yan pag may lumitaw na ganyan. Your certification is under review or has been reviewed. So, di yan kasing tagal ni Pi Network, no? Naabot ng months or minsan hanggang ngayon wala pa. So, mag-withdraw na tayo. Click withdraw. So, I choose GCash. Sabi nila mas mabilis daw sa Maya. So, pero dito gagamitin natin yung GCash. So, kung mas preferred mo yung Maya, tulad ng sabi na mas mabilis daw, then create a Maya account. Use my link down below. So, dito, itry natin yung GCash. So, bawasan mo yung withdraw amount for withdrawal fees. Then, boom! Success. So, withdrawal time, April 29 at 4:29 p.m. So, dumating siya 7:29 p.m. May waiting time na like 3 hours. So, huwag kang atat. Okay? Dadating din yan. Yan. So, nasa GCash ko na. Cash in from Paymaya pagaling, no? That's 505 pesos. So, saan mo pupulutin yan? So, again, disclaimer. Huwag mag-invest ng perang di mo kayang mawala. So, walang pilitan sa pagsali. Choice mo to, kaya siguraduhin mong kampante ka sa decision mo. Bye.
Desisyon mo ay sarili mong desisyon. Hindi mo pwedeng isi-isi sa kanila.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.